Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your device and OS, because steps differ slightly between Android and iPhone. Once you know that, long press an empty area of the home screen to open the Widgets or Edit menu. This goes straight to the Widgets picker. Make sure TikTok is installed, then scan the list until you find the TikTok widget. You do this first to expose the widget controls. This is where removal begins, and it prevents accidental app changes later. Once the widget is visible, press and hold it until contextual options appear. Android typically shows remove or delete, iPhone displays remove widget. Then drag the widget to the remove area or tap the minus icon to delete it from the home screen. If the system asks to confirm, accept to complete the removal. This action only removes the widget, not the app. Make sure to swipe through other home pages to ensure there are no duplicate TikTok widgets left behind. After removal, check the home screen to confirm the widget is gone. Once done, restart the device if it still appears, because a quick reboot refreshes the launcher. If the widget returns persistently, consider clearing the TikTok app cache or temporarily uninstalling the app. Only do this if you understand you may lose local settings. If problems continue, boot into safe mode or switch launchers to isolate the issue. This tells you whether the widget is system level or tied.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.